What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video with no hair. Woo!
All you want give me answer. All you want do you know I want you?
Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. Okay, I need the fan. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video, okay?
Alright, so the first thing I start off with is this primer by Olay and Henriksen, and it is the Banana Bright Face Primer. It has vitamin C, banana powder, etc, etc. Then I move on to foundation. I use the Fitme Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 332. That's golden caramel, and I just apply it with this brush here, as you can see, and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. And if you want a really seamless and flawless finish, you gotta blend for a while, okay?
Woo! Woo! Edges on swim!
After that, I move on to concealer to highlight, and the concealer I use is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And then, you know, of course, blend it out with a beauty blender. After I blend that out, I like to go in again with another concealer, which is the 16-hour Camo concealer from e.l.f. and it is in the shade medium beige. It has more coverage than the LA Girl one, and it dries super quick, so sometimes I don't even really like using it, but it helps to cover up the bags, well, in my opinion. After that, I follow up with the Airspun, is it loose powder or translucent powder? I don't remember, whichever one it is. And then I just set all the places that I put concealer on. I don't know what boosted me to put powder on my jaw corner this out, because I'm not an MUA, but anyways, some people like to just put the setting powder on their face and then swipe it off, or others like to bake. What I do is I put it on my face, like I don't put a lot on my face, and then I actually pat it into my skin instead of brushing it off, because I have really oily skin. So I realized that when I do this, it works better for me, and I don't get oily so fast when I have my makeup on. I know it looks a bit white right now, but you know, after everything is blended, it'll be good. Then I go in with contour, and I use the, what is this? Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, light to medium, and I use the Sculpt. Actually, I just mix both shades that are in it, pretty much, and then I just contour. Anytime I feel like I contour too much, I just go back in with some concealer and try to fix it or whatever. If you see a harsh line on my cheekbone, jaw corner, this one, yeah, literally after the entire video, like after the reveal, I fixed that because I realized, whoa, that is not blended. So yeah, check your stuff before you start flexing on the gram and all of that. Okay.
I'll go in with this little brush right here and take this shade and just put that in my opus, because what are we doing all the extraness for? Don't make any sense.
the makeup that I do every single day. So yeah, I just stick to what I'm used to. And that's about it. Yeah.
So my camera died and I had to do this off camera because I couldn't be bothered to come back on camera and do it. So basically this is what my makeup is looking like. I'm gonna like take some videos outside and insert them right here. So guys, this is what my makeup is looking like. I finally got that little outside glow, that sun, you know, that golden hour, finally. And this is what it's looking like. My hair looks amazing. I don't know, like, how can you not like this? But either way, if you don't like it, then that's not my problem. That's your problem. Because I love my hair. Like, my curls are popping, makeup popping, like everything is just going so good right now. Yes, my backyard is a whole forest. I mean, it is what it is, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and leave some suggestions on what other type of videos you want me to do and all that, whatever. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.